Susunod, libo-libong kabataan pwedeng kumita sa alok na trabaho ng DepEd ngayong summer. Higit 5,000 runners na kilahok sa takbo para sa karunungan ng DZMM. At kilalanin ng Team Lakay na hataw ngayon sa Pinoy Mixed Martial Arts. Lahat ng yan sa pagbabalik ng TV Patrol Weekend.
When it comes to frizz, don't waste your time sa repair lang. Go straight to the solution. Cream Silk Standout Straight with Hair Reborn technology that gives you up to 4 times straighter hair. Get Hair Reborn for straighter hair with Cream Silk.
Alam niyo, marami sa atin hindi regular mag-comb. Kaya feeling bloated and parang constipated. Kakairita. Buti I found new Nestle Active Yogurt.
Nestle Activate is a combination of live microorganisms and special fibers that, when taken daily, is scientifically proven to help regulate bowel movement.
Sarap pag regular. Take it every day para no worries.
Oh, pwede ka nang mag-Dubai. Itong reseta pang hypertension. Generics name ang una sa reseta ng cardiologist. The Generics Pharmacy, nandito ang reseta ng doktor.
Ayoko mag-alala.
Basta Generics, the Generics Pharmacy.
Ang buong Pilipinas ay maaaring makaranas ng pagtaas ng kolesterol. Ayon sa FMRI, 1 out of 3 Filipinos age 20 and up have borderline to high cholesterol. Bata, matanda, payat, mataba, at risk. Relate ako dyan. That's why I drink Del Monte Heart Smart. Clinically proven to help lower cholesterol by as much as 24% with US FDA-approved Redofol. Ang buhay ay wedan-wedan lang. Pero cholesterol, pwedeng iwasan. Drink Del Monte Heart Smart every day.
What's your look for the beach this summer? Covered up? Stop the